Ready to dive into a world where success isn't just a dream, but a reality achieved by those who dare to strive? This video is all about motivation, the power of persistence, and the secrets of how to be successful in life, even against all odds. Stick around until the end because we've got some incredible bonus tips that will turbocharge your journey to triumph. Let's embark on an inspirational journey across the beautiful island of Jamaica, where 7 remarkable individuals turned their hardships into remarkable success stories. These tales aren't just inspiring, they are a roadmap to turning your dreams into reality, proving that obstacles can be transformed into stepping stones for success with perseverance and the right mindset. First in our lineup of legends is Bob Marley. Born into poverty and initially rejected by the music industry, he didn't just overcome these challenges, he became a global reggae icon, spreading messages of love, peace, and unity. Marley's journey is a testament to the fact that where you start doesn't determine where you'll finish, inspiring millions to pursue their passions relentlessly, regardless of their beginnings and the hurdles they face. Then there's Shawn Paul, who battled through financial struggles and faced numerous rejections from music labels. But did that stop him? Absolutely not. He danced his way to international fame, becoming a Grammy-winning artist and putting dancehall on the global map. Shawn Paul's story is a classic case of rhythm meeting resilience, proving that unwavering dedication and a unique flair can catapult an underdog to stardom, breaking barriers and setting new standards in the music world. Now let's talk about Marlene Adi, the sprinting powerhouse. She not only faced ageism and injuries throughout her career, but she also outran them to become the oldest female world champion in athletics, with 9 world championship gold medals. Marlene Adi shows that determination knows no age limit, embodying the spirit of resilience, and proving that with unwavering commitment and a relentless drive, one can shatter stereotypes and achieve greatness. Grace Jones is a name that redefines style. Initially faced with discrimination in the modeling industry, she turned those challenges into stepping stones, becoming a successful supermodel, actress, and singer. Grace's journey is proof that your uniqueness is your power, showing the world that embracing your true self can pave the way for unparalleled success and influence across multiple creative domains. Meet Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, a sprinter who sprinted from humble beginnings to the pinnacle of world athletics. She's not just fast on the track, she's fast-tracked her way to becoming an Olympic 100-meter champion, not just once. Shelly-Ann's story is one of sheer will and speed, exemplifying the true spirit of a champion. Her journey from modest origins to international acclaim illustrates that with hard work, grit, and an unwavering focus, anyone can overcome obstacles and reach extraordinary heights. Miss Lou, or Louise Bennett Coverley, took the ridicule she faced for using Jamaican dialect in her poetry and turned it into her signature. She became a national treasure, championing Jamaican culture and dialect, known as patois. Miss Lou taught us that embracing your roots can be your greatest strength. And let's not forget Marlon James. He faced financial hardships and numerous setbacks, but he didn't let that write his story. Instead, he became a Booker Prize-winning novelist, showcasing the rich tapestry of Jamaican storytelling. Marlon's story is a masterclass in turning obstacles into opportunities. Now, if you're enjoying these stories of resilience and triumph, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more content that inspires, motivates, and guides you on your path to success. Now, here are 3 powerful bonus tips. First, embrace your unique journey. It's your greatest asset. Second, persistence is key. Never stop moving forward. And third, believe in yourself. You are the only one who can limit your greatness. Remember, life is a journey. Keep walking, even if barefoot. That's a wrap, folks. 7 incredible stories from Jamaica and 3 tips to fuel your journey. Never forget this. The only limits in life are the ones you set for yourself. Keep striving, keep dreaming, and then maybe we'll share your story one day. Remember, every big dream begins with a daring first step. So embrace your challenges as opportunities. Stay persistent, believe in your potential, and let your journey inspire others, just as these stories have inspired us. Until next time, keep that fire of motivation burning. Dream big, and never, ever stop chasing those dreams. One love.